Making content with intention. So one of the things I realized about 2023 is I was making content strictly for the sake of making content, really, just because I love content creation. And I think I'm kind of funny, and I enjoyed the videos I was making. I didn't really have a solid intention with my content because I don't do the DM game. I don't, do the whole... I'm really bad at asking for engagement, just because too many people, I think, demand engagement, and it irritates me when they do that, so I try to avoid that. My call to actions and my hooks have always been great, and I realized this about myself. The other thing I wasn't doing was I wasn't utilizing a lot of the UGC platforms to reach out to brands and talk to them about doing a collab or anything like that. So for 2024, my plan is to be more intentional with my content, and hopefully yours is too. So again, content creation is a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun doing it, and there's lots of ways you can make money with your content. But if you're intentional about your content, there are so many more ways to make money. Follow for more.